In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access TikTok Ads Manager. Whether you're a small business owner looking to dive into the world of online advertising or a seasoned marketer aiming to expand your campaigns, TikTok's diverse and dynamic platform might just be the perfect place to showcase your brand. Navigating through its Ads Manager might seem daunting at first, but fear not. I'm here to guide you through every step of the way, ensuring you can start setting up your ads in no time. Let's begin by visiting the TikTok Ads homepage. Open your web browser, be it on your computer or mobile device, and type in ads.tiktok.com into the address bar. Once the page has fully loaded, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now it's time to log in. Look for the login button, which you should find easily on the page. Clicking on it will take you to the next stage of the process, where you'll be asked to enter your credentials. This leads us directly to typing in your email and password. If you're already using TikTok, you'll likely want to use the same details here for ease of access. Make sure you're entering the correct information to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. If you happen to enter something incorrectly or forget your password, there are usually options to retrieve it, so keep an eye out for those just in case. Once you've got those details in, it's time to click on Login again. This might seem a bit repetitive, but it's a crucial part of the security process to ensure that your account and all its data remain safe and secure. After successfully entering your details, you'll encounter another layer of security, the CAPTCHA verification. This is a standard security procedure on many websites to ensure that you're not a robot attempting to gain unauthorized access. Complete the CAPTCHA as instructed, and once you're done, go ahead and click Confirm. The final step involves a bit of security housekeeping. You'll be asked to type in a code that's sent to your email. This two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account, something especially valuable in today's digital age, where protecting your online presence is paramount. Check your email inbox for the code, but if you don't see it right away, don't forget to peek into your spam or junk folder just in case. Once you find the code, type it into the designated space, and voila, you're in. You've now successfully logged into TikTok Ads Manager. From here, you can begin exploring all the ad creation and management tools at your disposal. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, but there's always a bit of a learning curve when diving into something new, so take your time to familiarize yourself with the different sections and features. Some quick tips as you get started: consider your campaign objectives carefully, watch some tutorials on ad creatives if you're unsure where to begin, and don't hesitate to use TikTok's extensive resources and support options if you find yourself needing a bit of help along the way. Accessing TikTok ads. Manager opens up a world of opportunity for your brand to connect with audiences in a creative and engaging environment. By following the steps we've just walked through, you're well on your way to creating impactful ad campaigns that resonate with the TikTok community. Remember, the most successful ads on the platform often leverage creativity, authenticity, and a strong understanding of the target audience. So keep those principles in mind as you dive into creating your own. That's all for this tutorial. I hope these instructions have made the process straightforward and manageable for you. Happy advertising, and see you in the next video.